Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Overwatch on Mac. While Blizzard Entertainment does not offer a native Mac OS version of Overwatch, that doesn't mean Mac users are out of luck. There are several proven methods to get into the game, each with its own set of advantages and considerations. We'll explore these options to help you find the best way to join the action on your Apple device. For Intel-based Macs, Boot Camp is an excellent option, allowing you to install Windows directly for native gaming performance. This requires at least 64 gigabytes of storage and a Windows license. Alternatively, virtual machines such as Parallels Desktop enable you to run Windows within Mac OS. This offers the flexibility to switch between operating systems without rebooting, though a Mac with robust specifications is recommended for a good experience. Cloud gaming services provide a fantastic solution for all Mac users, regardless of their hardware. Platforms such as GeForce now stream the game directly to your device from powerful remote servers. This means your Mac only needs to handle the video stream, not the heavy processing. A consistent, high-speed internet connection, ideally 15 megabits per second or more, is crucial for a smooth, lag-free experience. Finally, Crossover offers a unique compatibility layer, enabling you to run Windows applications like Overwatch directly on Mac OS without needing a full Windows installation. This solution works on both Intel and Apple Silicon Macs. While it can provide a good gaming experience, some users might find that tweaking settings or applying specific patches helps achieve the best possible performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.